Flight Safety Foundation's BARS Program Office has developed a video series to assist the aircraft operator in their participation in the BARS audit program. The next and the last step prior to restarting the cycle is the renewal process preparation phase. This video covers the work required by the aircraft operator during the registration period and leading up to the BARS renewal audit. The BARS Program Office will send out courtesy email reminders at the beginning of each month, commencing at 5 months before the registration expiry date, advising the operator that the BARS audit is approaching its renewal time. This should give 90 days notice leading up to the earliest date that the operator can undergo the BARS audit. The BARS renewal audit should be created on BARSoft well before the registration expiry date. The opening meeting cannot be earlier than 60 days before the current registration expiry date. Any opening meeting scheduled for a time after the expiry date will not count towards continuous registration and achieving the silver or the gold status, unless there's been an extension granted by the BARS Program Office. An aircraft operator that does not renew the registration will be made dormant on BARSoft, the audit report will be removed, and no longer visible to the BARS member organisations. If the aircraft operator cannot undergo an audit before the registration expiry date, they must contact the BARS Program Office outlining the extenuating circumstances and request an extension. Audits that are carried out within the 60-day window leading up to registration expiry or 60 days after where an extension has been approved will maintain the same registration anniversary date every year. Renewal audits carried outside the 60-day window will have a new registration anniversary date, and that audit will not count towards silver and gold recognition. To get the renewal process underway, make contact with the BARS Program Office and advise your intention for renewal. You should advise the office if there are any factors that might stop the operator having the renewal audit within the registration period. At the same time, you should be contacting one or more of the audit companies to get a quote, check what their variable fees are, and confirmation that they can do the audit on the dates that you wish. Internally, the aircraft operator should commence reviewing documentation to make sure that the audit checklist is up to date. You will also need to make sure that all the information in BARSoft in the aircraft operator profile is accurate. Here's a look at the BARS audit preparation flowchart outlining the various steps required by the 3 different parties for preparation leading up to the BARS renewal audit. This covers the agreement handling, the invoice handling, and the BARSoft audit checklist handling. So now you're back in the BARS registration cycle, working towards your first or subsequent renewal audits. The next video on the AO registration cycle should be planning and stepping through the BARS audit planning process.